If you are appearing for NEET UG 2026 and have made a mistake in your application form, this video is extremely important for you. Welcome to College Dunya. In this guide, we'll explain everything about the NEET UG 2026 correction window, including important dates, editable fields, and what cannot be changed, and the exact step-by-step process to make corrections safely. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything crucial. The correction window plays a critical role in your NEET journey. First, it ensures accuracy. Your application details are used for your admit card, eligibility verification, exam center allocation, and counseling. Second, it prevents rejection. Incorrect information can lead to cancellation of candidature. And third, it helps avoid future complications. Even small errors in your form can create major issues later during admission. So, take this window seriously. Now let's look at the most important part, the dates. The NEET UG 2026 correction window will open from March 10 to March 12, 2026. The application process closes on March 8. The correction window opens exactly 2 days later on March 10. You will have only 3 days to make corrections online. After March 12, no changes will be allowed under any circumstances. So, mark your calendar. During the correction window, candidates can edit specific fields. These include limited personal details, category or subcategories such as General, OBC NCL, SC, ST or EWS and PWD, status along with related certificates. You can also modify your exam city preferences, update academic details like class 10 and 12 board names and passing years, change the question paper medium, and re-upload photographs or signatures if required. Make sure all uploaded documents meet the official specifications. However, not everything can be modified. Identity proof details like Aadhaar number cannot be changed. Core biometric information also remains locked. Certain critical application fields become permanently non-editable after submission. So always double check these details before final submission. Here's how you can make corrections step by step. First, visit the official NEET website neet.nta.nic.in. Log in using your application number and password. Click on the link that says Corrections in NEET UG 2026 application. Carefully edit all allowed fields. Review the changes. Modified sections will be highlighted. Submit the form using OTP verification. Finally, download and print the correction slip for your records. Do not skip this final step. Before submitting corrections, keep these steps in mind. Review your entire form carefully. Upload clear photographs and signatures as per specifications. Avoid waiting until the last day to prevent technical glitches. And keep your category or PWD certificates ready if you are making related changes. Being careful now can save you from bigger problems later. If you miss the correction window, the errors in your form will remain unchanged. These mistakes will appear on your admit card and official documents. In some cases, incorrect details may even lead to disqualification or denial of exam entry. You may also face complications during counseling and seat allotment. Remember, no correction requests will be accepted after the deadline. The correction window is your only opportunity to fix errors in your application. Use it wisely. Double check every detail carefully. Regularly visit the official NEET website for updates. And once your application is error-free, focus completely on your preparation. All the best for NEET UG 2026.